Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm just going to be going over some general information about our '01 to '06 GSXR 1000 Swingarm Extensions.
Alright, so starting out, we got our two separate finish options. We got the black powder coat and the raw aluminum, each with the option to get the GSXR logo engraved onto them. As far as brake setup for the '01 to '03s, we got it's just extended brake bar. It just simply replaces your stock brake bar. And then for the '04 to '06, we've got this brake plate, which just acts as your retainer cap when you're bolting them on, and your calipers is going to slide right in here. As with all the products that we make, lifetime no BS warranty on them. And that will wrap up our GSXR 1000 Swingarm Extensions for '01 to '06.